Yo, hello. Check everyone. Um, I'm creating this video kasi magkakaroon ng laro yung mga tropa sa ng D&D and I'm doing this para para mag-create ng character. Unang-una kailangan nyo dun sa link na binigay ko sa GC, you have to have an account from D&D Beyond. So just go to D&D Beyond. Well, if you click it, it will ask you to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. But if you have, and then open the campaign, it will open to the screen. So the campaign na gagawin natin is the Murmurs from Nothing from DM Khalil or Kabods. And so ang gagawin nyo, usually ito makikita nyo merong isang character doon which is yung sa GM na character. So gagawa kayo ng, it's either you can create a character or create from pre-made characters. So ano ba yung mga pre-made characters? Ito yung mga meron ng stats. So let's open one. Ang gagawin nyo lang dito is change the name, change the picture, and such. So for example, if you will look at the dwarf cleric, if I will click this, yeah, here you would see na ayun na yung stats niya. So he has 14 strength, 8 dexterity, 10 constitution, intelligence, and the likes. So papalitan nyo lang siya ng name, um, ng weapons, or whatever edits that you have. Okay, so that's one option. However, if you want to create your new character, if you have a character in mind that you want to add to our campaign, pipili natin yung create a character. So let's click create a character. All right. So next phase, we'll see a step-by-step uh, process on how to create character. So home, just never mind this. Just let it there or whatever setup yun na yun. And then let's rename it. Let's name our character um, Silos. I just watched that anime, so Silos. All right, and then you can upload a picture or pick a picture here, or you can upload or choose a file from your drive or wherever. Pipili tayo. Silos. I'm trying to be this guy. So mukha siyang human. All right. So first up, choose a class. So ito yung core na ngayon, yung sa una. Yung Barbarian, Bard, Cleric, Druid, Fighter, Monk, Paladin, Ranger, Rogue, Sorcerer, Warlock, Wizard. Ito yung luma. This is 2014 book and now it's already 2024. So we will pick here the 2024. So Silos, you don't have, if you want to read yung ibang class so that you would know, that's fine. But parang ano naman tawag dito, self-explanatory naman, especially if you're familiar with games like this na kung anong ginagawa ng mga classes na to. So explore it at your own time. Pipili natin Silos will be want him to be a fighter. All right. So ito, you can browse through. Ito yung mga kuha mo sa 20th level, 19th level, and so on. But let's add a class for Silos. So he's a fighter, and as I believe we are starting at level 3, according to DM Khalil. So let's change the level here, level 3. Laki yung level 3. So, and then it's showing here na kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. So for example, itong core traits. So ano ba ang core trait? Pili tayo ng fighter proficiency. So proficiency are skills or talents, no, not talents but yeah, skills na pwede mong gamitin. So I want him to be good at athletics. Athletics, it's already explanatory again. There are roles na, DM will ask you for an athletics role, something like that. And then I want survival siguro. Yeah, I want survival for him. So survival is like following paths. Halimbawa, follow kayo, may tinatrack kayo and all that. If you're in a jungle, what you do, you get food, mga ganun, mga survival tactics. Fighting style. So fighting style, we have a couple. So archery, defense, great weapon fighting, or two weapon fighting. So, and two weapon fighting is two hand. I believe archer is archery. Defense is with a shield, and then great weapon fighting is a two-handed weapon. So I wanna pick a great weapon fighting siguro. Yeah, because I picked athletics there. So or two weapon fighting. All right, so I want to be a two weapon fighter. So feat style, you when you make an extra attack as a result of weapon, light or property, you can add the ability whatever. So we'll explore more of that, or it will be explained more once the character is open. I mean, is finished. It will have the explanation later on the character sheet. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So at first level, you get a second wind. That's one of your traits or abilities, or I forgot what they call it. Yan. Tapos, pinapapili ka din ng weapon mastery. So, for weapon mastery, your training allows you to do the mastery. So, just read it. So, yan. So, pipili ka. So, pag great sword, you have the grace ability or your great sword attack will have a grace ability. But we are two weapon fighting. So, we are picking short sword, I think. Yeah, short sword. Short sword. So you have the ability to vex. If you're okay. And then I want a dagger, maybe? Short sword and dagger. Dagger. And then one more. Siguro. Ano sa pa isang vex? Rapier. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, you can or you are, you have proficiency. No proficiency, but you have the ability when you are equipping a short sword, a dagger, or a rapier, you will be able to take advantage of these abilities or weapon masteries. I think, yeah, weapon masteries is what they call it. So it doesn't mean na hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng ibang weapon, pero pag sila yung suot mo, magagamit mo tong mga to. You'll see it on the character sheet then afterwards. So yun yung second ability mo, action surge, tactical mind, and then subclass. So in subclass, as you know, you have your class, and each class have subclasses. Why champion lang? So, I'm not sure if I haven't shared this. My campaigns. Hold on, view campaign, and then edit. No, no, not like that. No, 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 no. Hold on, hold on. Bakit ganun? Okay. Let me change on that. Pero yan, Civic Champion, these are the automatic skills that you'll get for champion, improve critical, remarkable athlete. Just read onto it. All right. So, background. So sa background, pili ka kung what do you want, like acolyte, criminal, sage, soldier. So, we'll just do basic. He's a soldier. Pili ka ng additional skill. So, intimidation, meron siyang kasama. We'll go with pili ka lang dyan. I think I want him to be acrobatic para mabilis siya kumilos-kilos. Tool proficiency, I would be good at dragon chess. Meron akong dragon chess. Ability score. So, ang ability score later on, lalagyan dito. So, usually pili ka diyan ng tatlong +1+1. So, 'yan ang ibig sabihin. Now, meron pa ditong mga iba, 'yan. Fill up niyo na lang, physical characteristics, skin, hair, eyes, ideas, traits, gawin niyo na lang 'yan. Notes, kung may backstory kang naisip, may other kang gustong sabihin, enemies, allies, organization, just edit it on your preference. So, I'm not sure if DM will allow chaotic evil and natural evil. So let's just ask him. But usually those two are not allowed. Chaotic and then sino yun? Yeah, chaotic evil lang yata yung bawal. Yep. Because if you're acting your character as a chaotic evil, it will um you can hinder or make the situations bad depending on your alignment. All right, so if you remember, we picked +1+1. Bago to eh. Um, Player's Handbook. What is this? Species. Why species? Oh, it's your ano pala. Kalimutan na natin. I'm playing a human here. Sorry, species kasi bago na. So I'm a human. I am medium. My skill is I can do uh stealth. Sabihin natin magaling din ako magtago. So sa feet, that marami yan. Pero let's just pick alert. Then it will tell you what alert does for language. Pili ka lang din. You can do Elvish and Dwarvish. Because that's mostly what's standard. All right, I'll go next. Ito na yung ano, nasabi kanina. So, pwede kang pumili ng strength, ay ng ano, tawag dito, ability score. So, usually we use standard array. So, if standard array, meron kang ability na 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 8 na i-distribute mo sa mga to. So, we want dexterity to be his highest. I want strength at 12. Constitution is your HP or your life points. We'll do 14. Intelligence, I'm not that good. 13 wisdom and 10 charisma. Or let's switch it around. Let's go charisma. I'm not charismatic. And then I have a little bit of intelligence of 10. Plus one, plus one. So, what's happening? Ito yung dinagdag na tatlong +1+1. +1 on strength, +1 on dex, that's on constitution, which is good. No, let's switch it around. Since strength will get was 1, lagyan natin siya ng 13 para maging 14 siya. Now, constitution goes by 15. Can we do him? No, yeah, 14 para mamaya. Tapos wisdom is 12. Yeah, wisdom is for this is used for the survival checks. So we picked survival kanina eh. So lagyan siya ng wisdom para mag-take effect yun doon. And then for equipment, pwede mong yata yung clear all to get 200 gold, I believe. But I would suggest not to pick something here. I will get a studded leather pack. And then pili ka dyan eh. Sa soldier, you can get 50 BP or spear bow. Healer's kit quiver, 50 gold na lang. So I have a studded leather armor, scimitar, short sword, longbow, arrows, quiver, dungeons pack. Then 50 gold. So I picked 50 gold para makabili tayo na ating short sword dagger. Alright, then add it. You need to add it para pumasok siya doon. Then I think that's it. May nakalimutan tayo. Yan. Then from there, just go to what's next and then view character sheet. And it will generate your character sheet. Okay, here we go. So I have the 14 strength, 16. These are modifiers. These are modifiers. So every time the DM will ask you to do acrobatics check, you click on this and that will roll and it will compute it. So 11 plus 5. So that's now we're looking at 11, then plus 5. Then ganun din for initiative. Yeah. So roll ka. So 16 plus 5, 21. Yan. Ayun, this is most likely your character. Sa inventory, I think you need to equip these para mag-take effect. Equip the backpack, and then equip the quiver. And then if you remember, we have 61 gold. So we basically need to buy armor one weapon. If you remember, we need to add daggers. Look for dagger. Yan, add ka lang ng dagger to equipment. Dalawa. Then, kung magkano man yan, 2 gold. So, bawasan mo na yung gold mo. So, inote mo na lang. May notes dito. Bought 2 dagger for 2 gold. Ganun. Tapos, sa inventory, equip natin siya. Dagger, dagger. And then, bili din pala tayo ng rapier. So, look for a rapier. Rapier, add it to the equipment. Then, look at how much it is. Ito mo yan dito. 25 GP. So, babawasan mo din ng 25 GP yung gold mo. Yan. So, bawasan mo na lang. Yan, bawasan mo. So, 25 plus 27. So, minus 27. So, ano pa na to? Clear. Party equipment. Remove. We're removing 27 gold. There, 34 na lang. Alright. Ayan, tapos equip the rapier. So, na-equip na. Alright. Tapos doon, nandun na siya sa action tab mo. So for attacks, you have dagger, roll the dagger for attack, 6 plus 5, so 11. If mag-hit yan, ganon. For the rapier, so we have rapier, so 14 plus 5 for short sword. And then for longbow, if you want a longbow, someone. Yan. Ganon. Tapos, this is your second win. And dito lahat, clickable naman lahat yan. Ayan. Or if you wanna read your bonus actions there. Second wind. Yan, kung mag-activate yung second wind, click mo lang din yan. So it rolls at D10 plus 3. So you gain 7 life. Yan. You have other tabs here, so just pick or choose it as you please. Ayan, that's the basic. The rules, or pag may question, let me know sa GC or dito sa video. Thank you very much. Bye.